Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. It's finally time to reveal to the two or three that's been waiting what we got from Vevor. So we're going to cut this sucker open and show y'all what we got. Alright y'all, got y'all zoomed in there a little bit. So we're going to try cutting this thing open. Seeing what's in there. Woo! We got a plastic bag. We got something wrapped in some bubble wrap. Got something else wrapped in some bubble wrap. And we got this. Now if y'all been like watching my live streams and hanging out with me there, you already know what this is. This is a mag drill. So get that. Oh, we just threw the instructions on the floor. So get it out of this bag. And they packaged it nice. Alright. There we got it, y'all. Like I said, this is something I've been wanting for a long time. Could just never pull the trigger on the price that they wanted for it. Finally found one on Vevor that this whole unit is under 250 bucks. So let me bring the camera in a little bit closer and we'll start unpacking this stuff here. So alright y'all, I'm going to start out with this package here. I think I already know what this one is. Yep, that's the handles and the tools for doing the bit change. But those are the handles that go on the side. Looks like a pilot for the bits and some Allen wrenches. So, all right. I think I know what this one is too. Oh, there's a clue of what part of it is. So, yep. That's the drill collet, or chuck. And this piece is that's the collet for the bits. It screws up in and then it sits on there. So, all right, got that stuff out. Now, the reason I bought this particular unit is this right here. Now, these are metric, so these are the cutter bits. So, pull one out. You guys can see that. It's got the spiral cutter, bits. And we got sizes. Let me see what size here. We got 13. Let's see here. 12, 13, 15, 18. Oop, there's a 16, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 23, 24, 26, and a 27 millimeter. Like I said, these were all metric. Yeah, I mean that's a pretty substantial, you know, cutter there. So nice that they come in their own little plastic case. So all right, and last but not least, I already know what this is. This is the coolant reservoir. It goes on. So, whoop, there you go. Coolant reservoir goes on. It's got a little hose that comes off the side over here. Drops down into the center. It comes out the center of the cutter bits. So, and we got a nice little strap, safety strap to, you know, strap it around, strap the base unit itself around the whatever you're drilling. So, all right, I'm gonna finish opening this stuff up here. We'll get the mag drill back up here, and we'll start assembling it. All right, y'all. We're gonna start out. We're gonna put the handles on, and they just there's 3 of them. They just screw right into the side here. See, we're gonna have to do a little bit of cleanup on them. There's a little rough from the plastic casting, molding, whatever you want to call on there. Well, it was on that one, but not on this one. So, come on. I'm not holding my tongue right, apparently. Alright, let's try this one. Thread's messed up in it. Yep, there it goes. Just wasn't holding my tongue right, that's all. Try this one over here again. There it goes. Yeah, I just wasn't holding my tongue right. Alright, just give him a little hand snug there. So, yeah. Up she goes, up she goes. Down she goes, down she goes. Alright. Now I probably won't be using the coolant reservoir, at least for the first project we're going to use this thing on, because it's going to be laying on its side, so she won't, that'll be no bueno. So, alright. Nice, 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 I'm liking it. I don't know if you guys can see or not, there's some nice little adjusters here on these ways to make sure she's good and square, and we'll definitely check that. So let's go ahead and put our cullet bit holder in. So, alright, get this thing here. Let me give me one of those cutter bits. Which one do we want? We want the, let's try the 24. Actually 23. Let's do the 23. Aha! I guess I should read the instructions, y'all. This is a threaded adapter that goes on for the drill chuck. That's not for the cutter head bits. Awesome. And then this is the centering pin. Drops down through the center of the drill of the bit. There's 2 flats on these. Got these 2 Allen screws, so we're gonna back that out a little bit, back that one out a little bit more, that one a little more, that one a little bit more. Okay, why ain't we going up in? Let me get this around where I can see that well. Oh, there it goes. I just, again, wasn't holding my mouth right. Hold my tongue right, I should say. So, yeah, you guys can still see what I'm doing. Alright. Get that in there. Make sure that bit's up in there good and tight. Good and taut. Give her a little snug. Give her a little snug. And then we're going to stand her up. Snug her in there good and tight. You don't want the bit to there we go. Alright. So here we have it. And that looks like about a, you can probably get like a 4-inch tall piece of steel or whatever underneath of there. So, all right, hell, let me find a piece of steel. We'll do some cutting. All right, y'all. We got this all set up. I got it plugged in. I'm going to turn the magnet on, which locks it down. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it. There's a little bit of a humming, but so we're going to Alright, y'all. That was slick. Let me see if I can get a screwdriver here. I want to knock this slug out of here. Yeah, I just barely went through. Yeah, I probably should have had it hanging off the board, but yeah. Well, let's set it up. We'll have it hanging off the board and see if we can pop her straight through. So move you guys back and I'll get set up and we'll try that. Alright, y'all. Now, got it moved around there, got my block out from underneath it. Now I did throw some towels down underneath because I don't want my oil dripping down on the stuff that's down below it, but yeah. Turn the magnet on. Turn the drill on. Piece moved. Let's try that again. Alright. She's smoking a little bit, but this ain't cutting oil. This is just penetrating oil. I will get some cutting oil before we do our big project, but yeah, y'all. That looks like a really nice hole. Let me get this thing moved out of the way and we'll bring y'all over so you can see what's going on. Alright, y'all. Now there's the first one we drilled with the block of wood underneath it. I didn't go quite all the way through. But then there's the second one. There's still just a little bit of a tail, but you know, hey, that's okay. I mean, there's just a little bit of a tail right there. We can clean that up with a little bit of a file or a little deburr. Matter of fact, it just broke off. The backside has a little bit of a burr to it, but you know, you're drilling a hole through it. So, but yeah, this one over here, like I said, I didn't go all the way down into the block because I didn't want to drill into the wood. But yeah, there's the slug we took out of the second one. So yeah, I'm impressed. You know, yeah, it bogged down a little bit, but you know, hey, it's a drill. It's gonna bog down. So, all right. Alright, y'all, there you have it. That's what's in the Vevor box. So far so good. I'm real happy with it. Feels like a pretty decently quality machine. Now, you know, it's not going to be a Milwaukee or a DeWalt or, you know, any of the big, you know, $2,000 machines, but for what we're going to use it for, and probably as much as we're going to use it, I think this thing is going to work out just fine. So, oh, one thing I didn't show y'all. There, I turned the magnet on. That took a lot to get that thing up off there. So, and this is a stainless steel alloy. It's not a true, you know, steel, so it might not be the best for showing how magnetic it is. But yeah. I'm planning on using this to notch pipe. Planning on using it to working on monkey business, and you know, whatever else we have to drill holes in. So yeah, like I said, I'm real happy with it for the money I paid for it. I think it's going to be a really nice machine. So all right, enough of the unboxing and yakking. All right, y'all. I was gonna roll this unboxing video in with a video on monkey business, but it ended up being long enough on its own to justify a video for itself. So we're gonna do that, and we'll get a video out there on monkey business. I have been working on the clutch setup and getting the linkage and everything all worked out, and so yeah. That's going to do it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you like it. We'll leave a link in the description for that mag drill if you all want to check it out yourselves. So that's all I got for today. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Matter of fact, give it a thumbs up if you didn't like it even. You know, show me that you watched it. So anyways, love y'all. We're going to get back to work on monkey business, and we'll catch you all on the next one.